Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, security system, low tire pressure warning, power windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.